ultimate guide to learning how to fight like Canelo Alvarez in 5 steps. Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Runner from the Bronx here, and welcome to our tutorial on how to fight like the legendary Canelo Alvarez. Follow these 5 steps to incorporate some of his winning techniques into your boxing game. Step 1, stance and footwork. Just like Canelo, start with a solid stance. Feet shoulder width apart, having your rear foot right outside your front foot, knees slightly bent, weight evenly distributed, tuck your chin and keep your elbows in. Practice moving around the ring or your living room with agility and precision, doing drills such as bouncing around with your hands up to immediately going back to the boxing stance, forward-sided movement and side-to-side hopping. Step 2, defense and head movement. Canelo is known for his exceptional defensive skills. Work on slipping punches left/right while moving forward, backward, and side to side. Practice rolling and rolling with the shots. Use head movement and footwork to avoid getting hit, doing drills such as pivot left/right while breaking the center line and check stepping. Step 3, power punches and combos. Develop your power punches like Canelo's devastating hooks and uppercuts. Practice throwing combinations with speed and accuracy, doing drills such as jab cross, double jab cross, jab body, cross head, jab cross left hook body, and decoy jab, right uppercut head, left/right hook body to keep your opponent guessing. Step 4, body shots and inside fighting. Canelo is a master at landing body shots and working on the inside. Practice digging shots to the body and learn how to fight effectively in close quarters, doing combo drills such as feint jab head, cross body, feint head, left hook body, and jab head, right hook body, left uppercut body. Step 5, conditioning and mental toughness. Lastly, emulate Canelo's work ethic and mental toughness. Train hard, stay disciplined, and always believe in yourself, just like the champ does. By following these 5 steps and practicing consistently, you can start fighting like Canelo Alvarez. Remember, it takes dedication and hard work to reach the top. Keep pushing yourself and never give up on your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey to see Ultraviolet. If you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. Keep training hard and always work towards becoming your greatest version.